What's the meaning of Bronx cheer? Bronx cheer. Bronx cheer.
Bronx cheer. Bronx cheer. Bronx cheer is an idiomatic expression often used to describe a loud, rude sound made by blowing air through tightly closed lips, usually as a sign of displeasure or contempt. It was derived from the practice of jeering and heckling Yankee players in the Bronx's stadium, which ultimately led to the booing crowd creating the sound. The term is also known as a raspberry, a derisive gesture often used to show disapproval. In essence, it is a way of expressing one's dissatisfaction with something or someone in a vocal but nonverbal way.